Hi guys, how you doing?
Right.
Good to see you. Where were you today? Well,
Yeah, early morning.
this morning, yes. Very
This
early.
is rare for me to get up at this time of morning for a weekday. I normally get up at like 9:30. But yeah, oh well.
Well, today is a little bit different. Yes, it's Halloween, and towards the end of this vlog there will be a taste test. Themed taste test. It's special.
Yeah, different packets.
But for this bit, it's something big, blue, and dribble worthy.
Yeah,
What we're
dribble.
going to see.
Yeah, we won't tell you what until we see it.
Fair enough. In that case, we'll keep it secret.
Keep it secret. But it's big and blue, you might know. Because you've seen it on this very old vlog, so...
We have seen it already. But yeah,
So yeah, we won't tell you when until we see it in the town city centre.
yeah.
At bus station. Then we'll tell you.
Yes, my hat may change colour
Yeah.
at this point.
Oh, you brought your hype
The
pack.
hype hat is with me.
Nice one.
The hype juice is with me. Not a sponsor.
My hype juice is here. Not a sponsor.
We're just walking down for the
Go on,
0757 train again.
yeah, and this is the first time for me
That Grand Central that does to Leeds. That once a day.
to watch it. Probably piss earlier.
I've been waiting Grand Central livery.
No, I mean it would have been a pacer.
Ah.
A northern pacer.
Probably a 158 or a 150 something or other. Normally get on here.
No,
Don't
that'd
often
been
get
knowing
places.
my luck. It would have been
I
a
put a
pacer.
pace on.
Oh, I put a pacer on Liam's here. They just pee me off.
Yeah, we're just walking down for that, so we'll see you when we get there, guys.
Yeah.
There it is. Move, veg.
Yeah, there's people in the way.
I have to try and figure out which one this is again. Alright dudes, we've got to the bus station. It's 8:20 and we've got 16 minutes for X84. He is not having a good start to the week.
No.
Within 12 minutes he's seen 3 out of 4 stalkers. 2 of them running together.
Yeah, 39223 and 39226 were just together. They were like 2
One behind
minutes
the
apart,
other. Not even that, about 60 seconds apart.
pretty much.
One behind the other.
Like, oh my god, you gotta be joking, mate.
Then we get here and 3385 just rolls all over
Yeah,
the
rolls
bus
up on
station.
49. I'm like, thank you.
All he needs is 69347 and he's got full set already.
Oh my god. Yeah,
On
and they had
Monday.
that last night. Like, what the hell? So I'm avoiding 19. I'm avoiding 64s,
91s,
91s.
5s,
Fives.
15s.
I'll have to hide.
Just go outside the Leeds.
Yeah, just go out. I'll go to Harrogate.
Yeah, that'll do.
And we're waiting for the X84. And
14 minutes.
hopefully I don't see 69347 and not in service or anything like that. Right.
Oh, rats.
Yeah, pigeons, rats. Yeah. In the next video, it probably changes that.
Probably.
When it sees it coming round.
See you then.
Oh, Hellfire on 189.
What the frig is this thing here? What's this? That's not blue. What the hell's that? Go home. Alright guys, I've just finished work. I won't be getting the MMCs tonight because it's getting a bit dark. Oh, hello B9. Freedom 7. Wait, what? Hey, that's back. Yeah, anyway. So, yeah. Won't be getting the MMCs today. But Wednesday, yes. After this morning's disappointment of 3 B9s turning up, and I go to work and I find out that 3 MMCs went in service. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till Wednesday. So my 72's on its way now, so I'm off to meet a few of the lads at last, and then continue from there. So I'll see you when I arrive. Happy Halloween, you goody goat.
Sir.
Yeah. For a ghoulish taste test. Not a sponsor. Musician. We have Chewits. Monster Bites. Very good. I can't eat this. You stabbed me. Good. All sides wrapped up. That one. Taste ghastly. I need some of these. Eyeballs. Let's take a stab. Take your pick. You lost an eye.
Give me one of these. What I thought.
I see mysterious things.
Like this.
And it doesn't open normally.
I broke it. Wanna stop?
I can't eat this.
Wanna stop? Or slash?
Doesn't work. Not bad though. Well, this has been a good evening for spooky delights. I will see you in the next video.